Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Phomology. Imagine this. You're refreshing your crypto wallet, your heart is racing, and you see it. A transaction you just sent cost you $2.6 million in fees. Not the amount you moved, the fee. And all you sent was $134 worth of Ether. That's what happened to one guy, and today, we're telling his story. A wild ride through the chaotic world of crypto that starts right in the middle of the madness. Buckle up, hit that like button if you love a good twist, and let's jump in. It's June 10th, 2020. The Ethereum blockchain lights up with a transaction so insane, it stops the crypto world dead in its tracks. A wallet, let's call him Alex, our mystery trader, sends 0.55 ETH, worth about $134. Normal stuff, right? Except the gas fee, the cost to process it, comes in at 10,500 ETH. That's $2.6 million. Miners are freaking out. X is blowing up with, what the hell just happened? Posts? And Alex? He's probably staring at his screen, sweat dripping, realizing he just flushed a fortune down the blockchain drain. The mining pool, SparkPool, scoops up the fee and freezes it like, this can't be right. But here's the thing. No one knows who Alex is. Was he a rookie who typoed his way to ruin? A whale testing something shady? Or did someone just hack his life savings? To figure this out, we've got to rewind. Let's set the scene. It's early 2020 and Ethereum's on fire. DeFi, decentralized finance, is the hottest thing since Bitcoin, and everyone's swapping tokens, farming yields, and paying crazy gas fees to do it. Alex isn't some random dude. He's a crypto hustler, been in the game since 2017. Picture him. Late 20s, living in a cluttered apartment, screens glowing with charts. He's not a millionaire yet, but he's got about 15 ETH, worth maybe $3,500, and he's itching to flip it in a DeFi pool. Gas fees are nuts, $50, $100 per transaction. But Alex has a trick. A custom bot he coded to automate trades and dodge the worst spikes. He's done this 100 times, small moves, quick profits. June 10th rolls around and he's tired, up all night chasing pumps. He queues up a tiny transfer, 0.55 ETH, to test a new pool. Sets the bot, hits send, and falls asleep. What he doesn't know? His bot's got a bug. A glitch so small he never saw it coming. But it's about to turn his life upside down. Alex wakes up to chaos. His phone's buzzing. Friends in a Discord group screaming, "Dude, check your wallet." He logs in, bleary-eyed, and sees it. The transaction's live on the blockchain, permanent, unchangeable. 10,500 ETH paid as a gas fee. Turns out, his bot flipped the fields, set the gas limit to his entire wallet balance, and cranked the price to infinity. It's not a hack, not a scam, just pure, brutal human error, amplified by code. He scrambles to X, posts anonymously, "I'm screwed, help." The community's split. Half are laughing, half are theorizing. Money laundering, fat finger, alien conspiracy. SparkPool, the miners who got the fee, tweet, "We're holding it, contact us." Alex hesitates. If he reveals himself, he's the guy who lost millions to a typo. If he doesn't, he's broke forever. Hours tick by. Finally, he DMs them, proves it's his wallet. They send back half, $1.3 million bucks, as a mercy move. But the rest? Miners keep it. That's the blockchain. No refunds, no takebacks. Alex is left with nothing but a story, and a very expensive lesson. So where's Alex now? No one knows. Maybe he quit crypto, maybe he's still out there, bot-free and paranoid. His $2.6 million blunder became a legend, a warning etched into Ethereum's history. It's 2025 now, and gas fees are tamer thanks to upgrades, but the lesson sticks. In crypto, one slip can cost you everything. What would you do if you were Alex? Own the mistake or vanish into the ether? Drop your thoughts below, and if you loved this roller coaster, smash that subscribe button. We've got more crypto craziness coming. Check the links for the real blockchain data behind this tale, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace.